class 10 children, let us begin a new question from the chapter Height and Distance. And the question is, an aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meter observes the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite bank of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. So children, as when we read the question, what we understood is that suppose there is an aeroplane flying on the top, on the space. So suppose now for the time being aeroplane is at the point A, and from here the pilot observed that there are two boats on the opposite direction. Suppose this is a width of the river. So on one bank there is one boat, and on the other side of the river, that means another bank of the river, there is another boat. So on the opposite direction there are two boats. So the first boat he observed at an angle of 45 degree. As he is observing from the top, so it is called angle of depression. That's why you can see the arrow coming down. So 45 degree is formed at the top on the horizontal line. But this 45 can come here because these two angles are called alternate angle. So alternate angle is equal, and this angle has nothing to do outside the triangle, but when it comes inside, this 45 degree works as an obtuse angle, and which helps us to find the unknown value. So it should come inside the triangle. And on the other bank of the river another boat is there. So the pilot also observed the other boat at an angle of 60 degree. Again the same 60 degree comes here inside as an alternate angle, and the aeroplane is flying at the height of altitude of 250 meters. So from the river level or from the ground level, its height is 250 meter. This is all about the diagram. Now find the width of the river. So you can say from C to D, CD is the width of the river because two bank, that means this is the width of the river, and write the answer correct to the nearest whole number. So the answer should be in the whole number. If decimal comes, you should remove decimal and write to the proper number, and it should be a whole number. No decimal should be seen in the answer. Now let us begin. So very easy children. Now from this triangle ABC we will try to find BC, and from triangle ABD we will try to find BD. So at CD we have to find CD. So that time to find CD we will add BC plus BD, we will get the value of CD. So that means two triangles we are going to take. So as you all know, whatever is to find, we begin with let. So let the width of the river, that is find the width of the river. So we write let the width of the river equal to CD, and CD will come with the help of BC plus BD. BC plus BD, yes, when we add these two we will get CD. Now to find BC we will take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this triangle, tan 45 degree, acute, also your acute angle is here 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by base is the formula, that is AB by BC. AB by BC, tan 45 is 1. So AB value is 250 by BC. Now BC 1 ja BC, 250 1 ja 250. That means we got the value of BC as 250 meter. Now in the next page we will take this triangle ABD and we will try to find BD with the help of AB. So here again the same thing. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree because your acute angle here is 60 degree, and rest all is same. Perpendicular by base, tan 60 is root 3, and perpendicular is AB, you can see in the diagram, and base is BD. So here AB value is 250 as we all know. Now BD into root 3, 250 1 ja 250. Now BD equal to 250 by root 3. As we all know, when we have root number at the denominator we rationalize it. So BD equal to 250 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This is to rationalize. Now 250 into root 3, 250 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Now as 3 and 250 cannot be cancelled, so what we do is we put the value of root 3. Root 3's value is 1.732. So after putting the value we multiply, we get 433.000. But here why point came? Because after 3 numbers there should be decimal. So after decimal 0 has no value. So we can say 433 by 3. And when we divide 433 by 3, we get 144.3. Because this 3 keeps on coming, as we don't need decimal number also. So one decimal number we will take and later we will decide the whole number. So 144.3. But this is not the end. Every time remainder is 1, but one decimal was enough for this question. Now as you all know, BD is 144.3. 144.3. The width of the river is CD, and you all know CD comes by adding BC plus BD. BC already we know 250 plus just now BD is 144.3. If we add both these numbers, 494.3. But according to the demand of the question, the answer should be in the nearest whole number. Decimal will not work. So because of 0.3, our answer will be 494. We removed decimal. Had it been 494.6, had it been more than 5, this decimal, our answer would be 495. One step we go further, but here we need not, because 0.3 means it is less than 5. So answer will be same. So one more question here I want to show you. This is one more question I have discussed in this page. So children, I will read and little bit discuss regarding this also. In the figure, this is figure given from the top of the building AB. So this is building AB. From the top, somebody from the top at this point A, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp. This is the lamp. So from here somebody is looking at the top of the lamp as well as at the bottom of the lamp, but both the angle are angle of depression. The angle of depression, that means the building is taller and the lamp post is smaller, because even the top of the lamp also is at the angle of depression, and the bottom of the lamp obviously will be at the angle of depression, and its angle are, the top has been observed in 30 degree and the bottom has been observed at 60 degree. So 30 degree is formed for this particular line, so here is 30 degree, and for the bottom it is 60 degree, so 60 degree is formed from here to here. But the same 30 degree came here as an alternate angle, same 60 degree came here as an alternate angle. So the horizontal distance between AB and CD, AB is here, CD is here. Horizontal distance means, that means distance between AB and CD will be BC. So we have to find BC, and the height of the lamp post is CD. So we have to find BC and CD. So as you all know, one triangle ABC has been formed here, and in this the height of the building is 60 meter. This everything AB is 60. So with the help of 60 we will find BC, but we have to find CD also. So to find CD, what we do, actually this particular line ED was not in the diagram, but to find CD we drew this. So that's why this is imaginary line. So after drawing this imaginary line, I will write E here, and what I will do, I will try to find, with the help of this 30 degree, I will try to find AE. Why AE? Because if I know BC, I also know ED. So from first triangle I will find BC, and the same value of BC I will apply for ED, and with the help of ED I will find AE. Once I know the value of AE, I can find CD. How? Because everything is 60. If everything is 60 and suppose this top part AE is 20, then I can say this is 40, because this everything minus the top part will be BE, and whatever is the value of BE, same will be the value of CD. That means with the help of BE I will try to find the value of CD. So this is all about the question. I will provide the answer of this in the PDF. Please you learn, and please see the hint given by me. Thank you children.